Earbuds. Pretty much everyone has some form of them, whether they're the wired kind that came with your phone or a pair of Bluetooth earbuds that you've purchased separately. I've been lucky enough to have the chance to try out a bunch of different kinds of earbuds, specifically Bluetooth ones, but I always find myself back using one pair, and those are the AirPods. Hey guys, UrTechDude here, and this is my second time doing the video because I forgot to hit the record button the first time, so it better be good. So let's get into the video. So I want to get something out of the way right now. I don't go back to AirPods because of their sound quality. While it is pretty good, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless perform better in terms of sound in my opinion, and the other earbuds that I use, like the Air 1S by Crazy Baby and the Air Nano by Crazy Baby, have pretty decent sound too. And with sound quality out of the way, I'm sure a lot of you are guessing that I love AirPods because of their connectivity with iOS and macOS. But that's not actually the reason, because I use Android. Here's my thought process. Both pair of Crazy Baby earbuds sound good, but they have some connectivity issues as well as latency issues. And you can watch my full reviews on both pair of those, which I'll leave linked in the description, so you can get some more details about that. But those really don't meet my standards, so putting those aside, that leaves us with two sets of wireless earbuds, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless and the AirPods. The AirPods and the OnePlus Bullets Wireless have a lot of similarities. As many of you probably know, the AirPods feature Apple's W1 chip, which makes for really seamless connectivity. But the OnePlus Bullets Wireless actually have Snapdragon's aptX, a similar chip to the W1. But there's something about the OnePlus Bullets Wireless that really annoys me and is a bit of a pain to deal with. Now, something that seems like a cool feature is actually not that great on these. The earbuds connect via magnets, but that's not it. When you connect them, they turn off, and when you pull the earbuds apart, they turn back on and pair immediately to your phone. But the case that comes with these earbuds, however, is pretty tight. So when the earbuds are magnetically connected and in the case, and then you throw the case in your pocket, it's very easy for the earbuds to disconnect with the magnets and then pair to your phone. This causes battery life drainage, so when you might need the earbuds at a moment's notice, the battery could be completely drained because the earbuds have been connected to your phone for the last 2 days. Also, when you're trying to play music out of your phone's speaker and you have no idea why it's not working, it's probably because it's coming out of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless in your pocket or in your bag. This is pretty annoying, and while I've gotten used to it, it's really not something ideal. So this leaves me with AirPods. When I left iOS for Android, something that you can let me know in the comments if you want to see a video on, but not something I'm going to get into now, I really thought that the magic of the AirPods pairing process would be gone. But it's actually not. While Android does lack the pop-up at the bottom of the screen that shows the battery percentage of the case and the earbuds with them spinning around all nice and cool and fancy Apple-like, it doesn't lack the pairing process. It pairs just as quickly as they do to iPhone, and it works just as well. Previously, the double tap for pause and play and Siri and all that stuff only worked on iPhone, but recently I've figured out that it works on Android. Also, I found an Android app that does give you that pop-up on the bottom of the screen, although it doesn't look quite as nice. So really, on Android, AirPods aren't lacking anything that they do on iOS except the activation of a voice assistant, which maybe we'll get soon too. That would be great for me if I could use the Google Assistant with my AirPods. It would be the best of both worlds. Apple and Google finally coming together. But the more I talk about that, the more I realize it will never happen because Apple and Google won't come together. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent here. The AirPods work great with Android still, even though they work a little bit better on iOS. And they work well enough on Android that they're my earbuds of choice. When the AirPods 2 are released, I'll be sure to get my hands on a pair of those. I can safely say that the first gen have been one of the best purchases I've ever made, and I'm sure I'll probably be able to say that for the second ones, even though I will have to do a full review on them. I hope you liked this video or learned something from it or got something out of it. Anything out of it. I don't really care what it was. Even if it was, oh, yay, now I have someone to hate because he made a terrible video. Anything, really. Yeah, great. And if you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon under the video player, and leave a like on the video. If you didn't like the video, it's okay too, I really don't mind. But before you hit the thumbs down button, be sure to turn off auto rotate if that's an option on your device, turn the screen upside down, and then you can click the thumbs down button. It's really okay, I don't mind. I don't like all videos either. I know I haven't been uploading so frequently lately, and that's because I've been really busy at school and applying to high schools. But you probably don't care about any of that, so I'll be sure to get on a frequent schedule soon once this whole process is over. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.